In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a song inside of Mureka AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Mureka AI like you usually would. Then from here you need to log into your account and go down to create and create song. You can also click instrumental down here or audio edit. But for this tutorial I'll just choose song and instrumental. Song is where you can add lyrics to your song, while instrumental is where you only will get the beat or the music. But let's create it. There's two ways to create it. You can either choose basic or advanced. If you choose basic, you'll just need to fill in some prompts and you can click down here what type of genre you will like. While over here, you can create the song title and you can enter the lyrics down here. Over here, you can also create a reference where you can upload your own audio or add a YouTube link. Keep in mind that this is pro planned, so you need to pay for it. Or else you can also choose anywhere of these down here already generated songs and use them as a reference. Down here you can also add your own vocals, or you can use the vocals down here, either Bruce, James, or any one of these over here. You can also upload your own or add a YouTube link. Down here is where you will add the description, and here you can add in the prompts for how your song is gonna sound like. So let's just say I want to make a R&B and it should be relaxed mood and I would like a female vocal. You can also click several one of these if you want to do that, and you can also generate it by clicking over here or write on your own. Then from here you can also add the melody ideas, and here you can either record singing, you can upload an audio, or you can select a YouTube link if you want to do that. Keep in mind that these are also pro planned, so you need to pay for them. Then from here you need to enter the song name, and down here you can add the lyrics if you want to do that. Then from here you can either click section where you can select it. Either should be intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, break, bridge, or outro. You can also down here add a lyric optimization where Mureka is gonna generate the entire song for you. You can also down here write next line if you want to skip a line. When you're done, you simply need to click create. And then Mureka AI will generate a song for you. And we can take a listen to how it's gonna sound like. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!